Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Forte EX Premium in Snow White Pearl. Starting at the front here, we have automatic LED headlights and daytime running lights, as well as a stylish gloss black grille with white chrome trim. Moving on, we have 17-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters, as well as keyless entry and a sunroof. Heading toward the rear now, the Forte comes equipped with a chrome exhaust tip, LED taillights, and a very spacious cargo area. Some of the safety features with this model include lane keep assist, auto emergency braking, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert, as well as high beam assist. Moving on inside now, the EX Premium features a beautiful synthetic leather interior with a rear USB charger, rear climate ventilation, and 60/40 folding rear seats with a center armrest. Looking toward the front now, we have a power driver's seat for easy comfort, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel mounted with both audio and cruise controls. Some other great features include Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as Bluetooth wireless technology and UVO intelligence telematics. This model also features a rear view camera on an 8-inch display, as well as automatic dual zone climate control and a wireless cell phone charger. The Forte also includes Drive Mode Select and both USB and auxiliary input ports. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission.